In this tutorial, we're going to create a video like you've seen at the very beginning of this video, where you have a boxer and they have the words "Make 'em bleed" with red ink coming down, simulating blood coming down. And I got this footage from VideoBlocks. And if you're serious about video editing, you need a place to get stock footage from. And stealing it off YouTube is not the place, because if you get caught, you'll get a copyright strike. You get 3 copyright strikes, your channel is history. It's gone. So you need a reasonably priced place to get good quality video footage. And VideoBlocks is the best one I found out there. I have a 6-month subscription, and in that 6 months I can download hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of high quality video content for doing all kinds of projects. So enough talking, let's get on to making this video. So let's drag the boxer, the first track, and let's insert 2 new video tracks. Drag the ink, and partway through this ink turns black. Go get rid of that. Good, right there. Hit the S key to split. Delete that. Now hold the control key down. Make it a little longer, which will slow the clip down a little bit. Now go to media generators. Select legacy text. Make it the full length of the video. We're going to call it "Make Him Bleed." I'm going to change the font to my favorite. Impact. Nice and bold. Okay, so let's do some changes here. Let's make this bigger. And the spacing between the fonts, make it a little wider. It's good. Under compositing mode, select the multiply mask. On the second track with the ink, make compositing child. So when you play it back, it looks like this. So you can make this as an introduction to a boxing video, or just use your imagination. Whatever you think up, just use your imagination. Think up something unique and just try it. Give it a try. Just experiment. See what comes out of it. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.